Okay, so introduce yourself and tell us about your second, but really first Dune experience and time in, you know, our trucks.
My name's Kean McKellar. It was a lot of fun. Part because I brought along my drone and I had a lot of fun seeing the trucks jumping over the hills and trying to track them and stuff like that. And
You got a great shot of me jumping over your drone.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is, I mean, I don't think I'd been in your truck before also. Like, all the straps to keep you, like, secured while you're going over the hills is fucking intense.
Kind of fun, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's hella fun.
I was just a little guy, too. Without a spotter, I don't want to go too fast.
And I was very impressed by your truck. Yeah.
Thank you. Well, what do you think? You definitely come back?
Yeah, I'd definitely come back. I want to bring my 360 camera and like have you leap your truck completely over it, and yeah, that'd be a lot of fun.
We need to do that. I think that, you know, I'm looking at cameras. The 360 might be something I should get. I'm still gonna pick your brain tonight a little bit about that, because I'm so used to GoPros. I've always done those in more recent years, and the 360 was like a cool option.
Yeah. I think the worst part of the day, though, was someone kept throwing gummy bears at me, just like random hoodlums. You know, I don't understand what's with that.
You feel like you're getting attacked, don't you?
Yeah, it's just like, we're here to have fun and to break expensive vehicles, and there's no need to throw gummy bears.
Whatever.
At least all fun is had by all. The other crazy part about the whole thing is
the gummy bear's stuck on the vehicles all day long.
And Jess's gummy bear from the Badlands trip has now survived the Badlands and 2 Silver Lake trips. Brent has a gummy bear today. When did you put that on? Last night?
That one was on his dashboard, but he moved it up there and it laid down, but it's stuck on.
So, I mean, that's good. And amazingly, you see a Toyota on a trailer that's not broken, or allegedly not broken, not verified, but so far we think we did it. We'll see.
It off, dude.
So it came off on its own power and it made it on the trailer, so we'll see. So would you come back again?
Yeah, I'd definitely come back again.
It's a little bit of a hike. Where you from? You didn't say your Instagram or whatever handles you have.
My Instagram is just my name, Kean McKellar, and I'm from Washington, D.C. We definitely don't have hills in D.C. that you can drive up and down like this, and so yeah, it was wonderful.
Well, we appreciate it. We appreciate you being put on the spot and getting filmed.
Of course. I should have commented on the DNR driving around like crazy because the Jeep flipped.
Yeah, and like passing. Did you guys actually see that?
I didn't see it happen, but
No,
we saw it towed out.
and then they ended up there, but we kept seeing the DNR like go flying by us, and they kept passing the Jeep, and then we're just like, what is going on? And then finally, after like 4 times and them being over the whole dunes, I think they figured it out and followed them. So it's kind of pretty interesting.
Yep.
So
like nobody got hurt.
yeah, I assume
That's
so.
the best way.
They were getting out of there pretty quick, so it seemed like everybody's okay.
They almost made it. They didn't have to stop where they did.
Yeah, exactly.